1976 Monte Carlo here at Unique, especially in classics. This particular car powered by a 350 V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 transmission to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC, although the AC pulley is missing one of the belts running around it, so it would take a little attention to get the AC blowing cold in this one. Let you get a good look at the front bumper, stacked headlights, grille. This is one of those cars you want to get into the collector car hobby without breaking the bank and driving it the way it is. Have a little fun, you sure can, or take it to the next level, make it into your dream car, or the Monte Carlo that you always have wanted. Check out the still pictures so you get a good idea of the condition of it. The underside, the interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As far as the paint, you can see that there are imperfections in it. It's thin in spots. Again, it's one of those, if you want to take it to the next level, make it the way you want it. Or if you just want to drive it the way it is, enjoy the collector car hobby. We'll eventually need a little TLC back around the vinyl roof area where it hits the body panels above the trunk. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust. We have a glass pack exhaust system or similar to that underneath. Check that out in the still pictures. We'll start it up here in just a bit so you can hear it run too. A little rumble to it. And those still pictures, if you want to see the undersides, check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Filler panel missing there in the rear. This is the correct original color for this car. It was a lime green car to begin with. 40 is the paint code. 11T for the top. So the white vinyl top in the rear is also correct, and of course the white interior. Let's go ahead and check that interior out. Look at this a little closer. Bench seat up front. Take a look at the door panels. Power windows, power locks. Power windows do work. I've had those up and down. We also have a power seat, power bench seat. There's forward, backwards, up and down. Tilt. All directions in the power seat in working order. Of course, you can see a few rips in the vinyl that show its age a little bit, as well as the top of the dash, which is quite common. There was a dash pad, dash cover that you'll see with this too in the pictures. That will go with the car, but we want to take it out so you can see pictures of it both ways. I have not had the radio working. I have had the wipers working, FYI. Temp gauge, fuel gauge. Here's the fuel gauge. It's working temp gauge. That was a cold start, so I'm assuming that would be down there. And a clock and voltage gauge over here. It does not appear the clock's working. Take a look at the headliner. It's intact and looks good. Looks like the original one too. Door closes nicely for a big firm door. There you hear that rumble coming out of the 350 underneath the hood. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I want to pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, let's get an idea what it looks like under the hood here. So, like I said earlier, you can see some newer AC hoses here, back up on the top side. So it has had some components, some things done to it, but compressor is not hooked up. So power steering, power brakes, 350, automatic transmission. Want to get the AC blowing cold. probably going to need to convert it, do a little work on that compressor. But again, price reflects condition. You want to get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank, have a little fun along the way, make it your own. Here you go. 1976 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.